Remember when we promised we'd never let life separate us?
Some promises live in the heart, even when life changes the path.
Amara Kal Sabah, I'm leaving. My family is moving.
What? You're joking. You can't just walk out of my life like a sea ange.
If I could rewrite destiny, I would. Whenever you feel alone, read this. You carry courage in your soul. Chase your dreams for both of us.
You ever just my friend? What's that?
Distance cannot weaken what the heart remembers.
I know.
Promise me this isn't the end.
You carry courage inside you.
True friendship isn't measured in miles. It lives in memories and in love that never fades.